Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the height and width of a text box in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box, then draw a text box. You can write anything. Now I am write some text. Then we want to change the height and width. Select the text box and drag on your mouse to select the height and width. You can increase the height and width easily. Otherwise you can use another option. Go to the shape format menu, select the size and properties drop down menu. Then we can see the height and width. Now I am change the height and width using this. Now we can see we change the height and width of text box easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.